today we're going to the meet right now in San Luis, and I'm in the tech right now. My dad's in the S1000 over there. My mom's behind us. So yeah, let's go on this trip. I can't see. Alright guys, so we're at the parking lot and I'm really excited. And behind the camera is my cousin Joseph, and this is his first meet. So Joe, say what's up.
Look. Yeah. With those maximum of patience. Got a lot of carros. Oh, look at that Mustang. What if Drew Peacock was here? That'd be
Drew Peacock. We got a game.
Shit, that's a lot.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so we made it to the meet, as you guys saw, Costco, but it wasn't even like 10 minutes and the cop that's chilling right behind us, well not literally, but in that mirror right there you can see him, kicked us out because this is like private property or whatever. So right now we're going to the second location, which is, I have no idea, but I'm just gonna follow these guys. So my parents are behind me somewhere, but I'll see you guys when we get to the second location. Alright guys, so we made it to the second spot. As you can see, everyone's here, and I'm not sure if there's a cop here or not, but we're gonna go around, check cars, see if there's new ones. But anyways, I'll show you the coolest cars that's here at the meet.